Magandang hapon po ng July 11, 2026 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 11, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, July 11, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 11, 2026, Saturday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, July 11, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for July 11, 2026, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.